welcome to my kitchen. I'm Anita from Munik Frankfurt, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious oyster mushroom fried very crispy here using the seasoning paste from Munik seasoning for fried chicken. To make this dish, you need fried chicken spice base, oyster mushroom, egg, rice flour, water and vegetable oil to deep fry. Cut the oyster mushroom in desired size, not too big or not too small. Then cover the mushroom with seasoning paste evenly. Make sure you cover all the mushroom and set aside to marinate. To make the batter, mix the rice flour and water in a glass. Stir thoroughly until all flour mixed with the water. Leave the mixture about 3 hours so that the flour will settle at the bottom of the glass. Then throw away the water. Pour the wet rice flour into a bowl. Then add the white of 1 egg and stir thoroughly. And now we have the marinated mushroom and the batter. Let's heat the oil. Dip the marinated oyster mushroom in the butter and deep fry until brown and crispy. So basically you can enjoy it right away. I like to serve it with salad leaves and thinly sliced semi-ripe mango and also cucumber. If you like it hot, you can also add thinly sliced chili on top. And then you can serve it immediately for maximum crispiness. See for yourself how delicious and crispy it looks. This is very crispy. You can hear it. Can you hear the cracking? Very delicious. So just try it.